Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Ever find yourself wondering why, no matter how hard you work, your money seems to disappear before the month is even over? You're not alone. For most of us, relying on just one income source, like our job, feels like walking a financial tightrope. One wrong step, and suddenly you're in a crisis. Imagine if you had to take time off work due to a medical emergency, or if an unexpected event like the pandemic turned your world upside down. The fear of losing that single paycheck is all too real. But here's the solution: diversifying your income. In today's video, we'll explore different sources of income and how they can provide more stability and flexibility in your financial life. Ready to find out how to boost your income and reduce financial stress? Let's get started. Think of your income as a tree. If you only have one branch, your job, you're vulnerable. But if you have multiple branches or income sources, your tree is strong, resilient, and bears more fruit. Today, we're going to explore 7 different branches of income that can help you build a sturdy financial tree and safeguard your future. 1. Earned income, the foundation. First up is earned income. This is the trunk of your tree, your job, your paycheck. It's where most of us start, trading time for money. But here's the catch. No matter how hard you work, there are only so many hours in a day. That's why we need to grow more branches. 2. Profit income, the business branch. Next is profit income. Imagine you're a gardener growing and selling fruits at the market. The money you make after covering your costs is profit income. Whether you're running a side hustle, flipping items online, or starting a business, this branch can grow as tall as you want. No limits. 3. Interest income, the money tree branch. Now let's talk about interest income, the money tree branch. This is where your money starts making money. By saving, investing in bonds, or lending out your cash, you earn interest. It's like planting a seed and watching it grow with minimal effort on your part. 4. Dividend income, the shareholder's slice. Then there's dividend income, where you get a slice of the profits just for owning a piece of the company. Imagine being a silent partner in a successful business. Every time they win, you win too. It's a great way to build wealth over time while you sit back and relax. 5. Rental income, the property payoff. Another strong branch is rental income. Picture owning a house and getting paid every month by someone living there. Whether it's a home, office space, or even a vacation rental, this branch can provide a steady stream of cash, month after month. 6. Capital gains, the flipping branch. Let's not forget about capital gains. This branch is all about timing: buy low, sell high. Whether it's real estate, stocks, or even collectibles, when you sell something for more than you paid, you earn capital gains. It's like picking ripe fruit at the perfect moment. 7. Royalty income, the creative branch. Finally, we have royalty income, the branch for creators. Whether you write a book, compose music, or invent something cool, you can earn royalties whenever someone uses your work. It's like planting a tree once and enjoying the fruit year after year. So, there you have it. 7 branches of income that can turn your financial tree into a mighty oak. Earned, profit, interest, dividend, rental, capital gains, and royalty income. The more branches you have, the stronger and more fruitful your tree becomes. Which branch are you growing next? Drop a comment below and let me know. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone looking to expand their financial tree, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on growing your wealth. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep planting those seeds of financial freedom.